Body notes are one way to write down the source of a quote that we use in writing a scientific paper. This body note is almost the same as a footnote. The difference is only in the location of the source of the quote. In the footnote, the source of the quote will appear at the bottom or foot of the page where there is a quote, while the body note will appear at the end of the quote we write. Well, the way to make this body note is very easy. Friends, enter the reference menu, then place the cursor first at the end of a quote, which we will attach the source to at the end. Then friends select Insert Citation, and select Add New Source again. Then a new Create Source window will appear. Friends, please fill in the required book data, such as author, title or book title, year of book, city, and publisher or printer of the book.